Drop that neck straight, blues on fuck with checks.
What's up, YouTube? About to get y'all boys a little POV. Got the hood rats outside. Nah, I'm about to hop in this bit though. This bitch. Getting a bit unlocked for y'all boys. Look at these niggas. Alright. Yeah, y'all boys hear that bit?
Damn!
That bit really him. Boy, it feels so good outside, bro. Gotta cut this on, it's mandatory. Every time you get in the car, and you see, like, when I'm driving this shit, my damn heated seat finna be on bed. These seats be cold as fuck. Fuck how old that came from. Alright, so look, boom. Damn, I check engine light stay on, tire light stay on. Fuck. I'm about to get y'all boys right. Give me 1 second. Alright, let's get this shit on the motherfucking road. Looking at, gotta have traction on. Gotta have the windows down a little bit. It's mandatory. Should get y'all a little side view. I'm gonna get sideways in this video for y'all. At least one good time. Like, that's mandatory. Y'all know y'all hear this bitch. Wait real quick. Wait for the ad to go by. It would be a fucking bus. That's some fuck shit right there. I had to. Jit talking about something. Burn that bit. But driving like fast and shit on roads like this, nigga be scared. This bitch quick. I ain't never really dogged this bitch like this. I told y'all I was gonna get shot. What the hell? I wish for y'all at least one time. This shit crazy as fuck, bro. Bro, it smells like straight rubber in it. This shit fire as fuck. Let's just give y'all a little revs real quick. This shit weak. About to give y'all a little revs.